the first match is Kris? Pulling out the Kris? Okay. Interesting mix-up. I haven't seen too much of Kris recently. Most of their players have either dropped him or haven't played in a while, other than Slime. Luckily, his Kris still seems to have it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, clean.
Let's go. The musical extension. Alright, SBS started off strong.
SBS knows what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm like kind of doing two things at once here, but I just realized, like, yeah, we didn't start off with the Reimu here. That's kind of weird to me, considering how well it did the last set, but alright.
I mean, mixing it up means that he'll never learn one character fully enough to understand what they're trying to do.
Okay, but SBS knows Kris.
I don't know if he knows Kris.
He knows Kris. Kris was legal at his freaking heat waves. He knows Kris.
Understandable. Have a nice day. Ooh. That's probably why he's
play Kris. Fair enough. Alright.
You know what? I respected Slime. I respect it.
Well, Kris isn't looking too hot right now. Oh, double up air. This damage just keeps coming.
This might be a 3-stock from SBS.
Alright, gets him off stage. Oh my. Okay, backer coming out. I'm gonna put Slime at least on the board here. Little signs of life. The down special, I think, gives Kris a little bit of survivability. So, ooh. Oh. Oh no. A trade there. All right.
Well, I'm surprised that he did not 3-stock. It looked like it was in his favor for sure.
Yeah, you can't count anyone out. What do I have to keep telling you?
That is true. I do think that Slime still has it. His Kris kind of goes cray-cray when he's in that mind state.
Oh my gosh! I mean, if he's not getting hit here.
Yeah, no, he's at 187, and SBS has been trying to mash kill.
Not gonna get anything off of that note.
His kill is still on cooldown, as they say.
Yeah, SBS not trying to force it right now. That should have been it. Okay. Maybe you should try forcing it a little bit more, but regardless, okay, S-Smash.
Down to 1 stock.
Yeah.
This might win. Oh.
Yeah, alright, there we go.
I thought it was the comeback. I thought it was the comeback. See, when I believe in the comeback...
Alright. Gonna be moving on to game 2 here.
Honestly, I'm rooting for SBS. He seems to have the matchup down, but I think that's in his favor. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. Those snares are deadly. I still don't know how to feel about the 2-hit nair.
Gosh, I like it. I think it suits the character way better. Oh, okay. And seal that off. But the double up air! Oh no, that was early. That was so early. Alright. SBS gonna even that up real quick.
I love the music on the stage, by the way. So good. Like, it sounds like battle music. I'm like Fire Capital. Bleh. I don't like that music.
Alright. Okay. Get some combos going. Oh, okay, well, until you get up there on the platform. Alright. Slime putting on the aggression and been working out so far. The smaller stage definitely helps a lot compared to Merchant Port. I'm just able to get in on Pomme a lot more. Despite the top platform, it's been working out. Oh, good roll read.
Oh. Are you trying those combos?
New should be coming out. Okay. There's no world where that would have hit.
Personally, seems kind of bad looking at the rest of their moves, to be honest. And that seemed like one of their better moves at the beginning of their
It's good at the ledge. It's good at the ledge. It's a free smash attack.
I mean, yeah, at ledge, that's pretty situational, especially for rivals when you mostly kill off the top of teams.
Ooh. Alright, there we go.
It's a bad
that's gonna seal it out. Yeah, Kris coming together a little bit more. Oh boy. Alright, that's a counter pick. At least Menace isn't playing. So I can get away with it a little bit there.
Man, this is topical. Right after I install Fire Capital's music, it gets Fire Capital.
It takes a while to build up, but once it does, it's good.
I do like the new little extension they added onto it, though. I will say.
Ooh. Alright. Gonna get some juggles here. Oh, man. Not gonna lead to too much after the forward air, because, you know, Pomme, but that was still a really good combo. Ooh.
Got that parry. Slime is just toying with him at this point.
He's in control now.
Yeah.
He's in control now. Like, the game one, the SBS kind of moved all over him, but I'm gonna take what he said in chat. He warmed up. Ooh. Okay, he needs to find his kill though. Good roll read.
Yeah.
Dude, Slime is so good at reading in. I know personally, it's a little painful. One day we'll stop.
Wait, you think Treetop is the weakest? That's cap. I'm sorry, that's cap.
I agree. I think you're outnumbered here, Zach. Your bad takes will stay here no longer.
I've been ratioed, I guess.
Okay, the back air. Gonna seal it out. And in comes the best part of the song.
Yeah, no, this is the best part. And it was only here because of the extension. Isn't it?
Yep. This came in the Definitive Edition update, and thank God it did. Ooh.
Ooh, the dash attacks.
Not getting in. Alright, there we go. Let's get to the top plat. And
honestly, at this point, SBS should just start camping, to be honest.
When you're a stock down?
Yeah.
These freaking workshop players, I swear to God. They don't understand.
I think
All they see is camp.
I think you don't understand. I'm being strategic.
Exactly, Slime.
I mean, doesn't Chris not camp well?
Forward tilt? Okay.
I don't know. Ooh, I hope. Yeah, let's
Alright,
go.
there we go. Up to
Let's
upper.
not. SBS can bring this back, I believe. Ooh. Those dash attacks are really getting in. I forgot how degenerately you get spammed that move. All SBS needs is the one good combo.
Yeah, this is anyone's game right now. He's still in this. The up tilt you're not going to kill from the ground, but if he gets one platform extension or one side B.
Did you see that movement from the clone? That was super jank.
Okay,
let's
still
go.
alive.
Let's go.
Fire Capsule coming in. Okay, yeah, no escaping that up smash. Slime taking game 3, and I mean, it's looking good for him. I'll say that.
He has not gotten washed out yet. I think this is definitely something SBS can bring back. He just needs to believe.
Ooh. Okay.
Those forwarders could have worked. They just needed to space them. I think he definitely could bring this back. I think it all just relies on the spacing here, to be honest.
Okay, yeah, just charge up that F smash. Easy kill there.
That was free.
And once again, Slime with the stock lead. Gonna try and keep it for as long as possible here.
Yeah, they use the down B. That's how you can tell they're desperate.
I mean, hey, you got the meter for it at that point. Okay, well, not anymore. You used neutral B.
Yeah. Well, it was definitely a smart move. It keeps that stock advantage. It also makes you do more damage, so it let him rack on a bit more. Oh, SBS is doing some combos? Let's go. I don't think he's out of it yet.
Okay. Parry side B. Alright, that shouldn't have worked. That's definitely a 90 ping moment if I've ever seen one.
90 ping. Can you parry a 90 ping?
Ooh.
I like how you can tell it's kind of lagging, like through their movement.
Oh, 100 ping, even better.
Can you parry?
Alright, Slime is looking really good right now. Takes the stock, he wins the tournament.
Yeah,
SBS just can't get out of disadvantage here.
Well, this might be it.
I think he wanted back air there.
Actually, no. This is winnable.
It would have been nice if you didn't drop that. Back air? Yeah, bad DI. That's gonna be it.
He has DI'd none of those back airs, right? Which makes me sad.